Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that security measures will be beefed up in all occasions following the IED blast that rocked Lime Craft Market in the heart of the city on August 10. He also said that an urgent probe has been ordered into the attack. While condemning the attack, the Chief Minister suspected that the recent arrests of people involved in the IED blast cases in East Jaintia Hills may have triggered this unfortunate incident. However, he maintained that firm action has been taken in the past and the same will be taken to ensure that people involved in this particular case too are not spared. It may be mentioned that an average intensity IED blast rocked the market area in Lime Craft, injuring 2 people and damaging a few shops on August 10. No sooner after the incident, the proscribed Hnyothrep National Liberation Council or the HNLC claimed responsibility for it. The attack comes just a few days ahead of the Independence Day celebrations of August 15.
And the entire cabinet has very strongly condemned this particular IED blast that has taken place. And the cabinet has taken a very firm decision that very strong action will be taken against those who are responsible for this particular blast.
When asked whether this was a result of an intelligence failure, Sangma replied in the negative and said,
We have been very clear that our intelligence is very strong and we have been working towards it to strengthen it even further. And it's been the basis of the strength of the intelligence that we were able to arrest all those people who were involved in the blast that took place in Clariat district. So therefore, we cannot say that it's a lapse of the intelligence. Of course, there are situations which should not have happened, but our intelligence section is working very hard and a lot of information is there with us and a lot of actions will be taken and are being taken, which I cannot share with you right now. But absolutely not. Our team is working very hard and we will get down to the crux of this issue.
On apprehensions that the recent attacks signal a resurgence of militancy in the state, this was what the Chief Minister said.
Absolutely not. This is an incident that, yes, should not have happened. This is an incident where we have seen that it's been preceded by a large number of extortions being given to people. And therefore, it looks more like a racket of extortion that they're trying to create. And this is something that we will not allow at all. So therefore, there are a few people who are trying to do this. But I want to assure the citizens of our state that we will, as a government and as a police, we will take firm action and will ensure that the safety of our people and the citizens of our state.
Commenting on HNLC's offer for peace talks, Sangma asserted that the condition has been clear and firm from the state side, and that is to surrender first.
Yes, we have said that we are ready to discuss with them if they are surrendering and coming forward to discuss with them. But we don't want any kind of conditional talks out here. They must surrender and they must come forward and want a discussion with us. We are ready to talk, but it has to be an unconditional talk and it has to be a talk that is very much within the constitutional framework of the country.
Meanwhile, Home Minister Lakman Rumboi also echoed similar views and said security is being beefed up in the state not only because of the upcoming Independence Day celebration, but to ensure that peace prevails in the state.
So all the security measure is in place and the government will see that the security, that's why it is not because of the Independence Day, it is because the responsibility of the government to see that the peace and tranquility is prevail in the state.
Meanwhile, Rumboi admitted that there is a lapse in intelligence and said that this is a wake-up call for the police and underlined the need to analyze the situation to ensure that such things could be prevented in future.
I must admit that there is a lapse, we are not, we anticipate that these things should happen in that particular area. So this will be is a wake-up call. We have see that the bomb blast in the last 2 instances, last year and this year, and through this the police should be more vigilant. Moreover, that they should not treat any information, be a small, that they should analyze properly, so that this type of thing could be prevented. And moreover, I appeal to the citizen that if there is any suspicious movement of the people, suspicious of the people in any of the locality or area, they should immediately report to the police. And I'm very glad that the citizen of the state, the citizen of Shillong, they are very vigilant. There are so many things which I don't want to say now that could be prevented and could be solved because of the active information we got from the general public. I mean, all the crime.
This is the fourth bomb blast in the state in 1.5 years. The previous 3 blasts were reported in East Giant Hills district, the most recent among them being the Clariat IED blast in July 2021. TNT Bureau.